Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am and friends. We are from group 5 that consists of me, Winesa, Dwinda Berlin, and my friend Syahrani Muthiati. Today we would like to present our database project. The MuNes Hotel is our business. So without any further ado, let's begin. For the first slide, we'll explain by my friend Syahrani Muthiati. To Syahrani, time is yours.
Okay, I will explain about the background of our business. Hotel is an accommodation service business in its element of service, comfort, and the required lodging facilities for those who want lodging facilities for purpose, family, or vacation. In connection with the use of free time for holidays, hotels are needed by tourists who are visiting the city and those who build the hotel provide comfort for people who stay overnight so they can sleep more comfortable than when they sleep in their own room. Customer satisfaction has become a central concept in marketing theory and practice and is one of the most important goals for business activities. Therefore, we are interested in opening a hotel named the MuNes Hotel. The purpose of this hotel service is to provide facilities and comfort to consumers who want to vacation or stay, so that customer satisfaction can be achieved properly. The problem formulation is how to apply the database system to Microsoft Access at the MuNes Hotel using the table, form, relationship, query, and report as the basis. Next is about the purpose of our business. Uh, Creating database application for helping the MuNes Hotel. And next, provide more accurate information about customer and data of the MuNes Hotel. Last is creating larger business scale for the MuNes Hotel. Next is our business profile. The MuNes Hotel is a service business and accommodation hotel with its element of service, comfort, and the required lodging facilities for those who want lodging facilities for purpose family or vacation, in connection with the use of free time for holidays. This business support the tourism industry, which provide various facilities, banquet meeting, and so on. This hotel has been established since 2016, and the founder are Winesa and Syahrani. And our business activity is provide accommodation with great facilities and comfort to consumers who want to take a holiday or stay so that customer satisfaction can be achieved properly. Next is the definition of database. A database is a structure of data which stores structured data. There are several tables in most databases, each of which can include many different fields. The function of database retrieval of information can be done quickly and easily. Enough with one database for many purposes. Controlling the data is also enough to be done in one place only. Save data storage space owned by an organization. Suppress accuracy in data entry or storage. Database can store very large number of records efficiently. They take up little space. It's easy to add new data and to edit or delete old data. Next is definition of table, form, query, report, primary key, and relationship. Table is a collection of data properly organized into row and column. Form is adjust the appearance of the input data to be more attractive than just a table. Then the form can be saved in such a way that is more attractive, easier to use, and better protect the data. Next is query. Query is used to view, modify, analyze, filter, and display data that meet certain conditions or criteria from one or more. Report is a reporting system that is used when you want to display the result of a report from a data analysis, both in the form of tabular, graphic, and calculation result. Primary key is a value in the database used to identify a row in a table. And last, relationship. Relation or relationship between several tables in the database that we have. Next is about table of the MuNes Hotel. First is check-in table. We need to know check-in code, check-in date, employee ID, guest ID, and room code. Next, check-out table. Check-out table, we need to know check-in code and check-out date. Okay, guest table, used to record customer data who will stay at the MuNes Hotel. For guest table, we need information about guest ID, guest name, address, city, phone number, and duration of stay. Okay, room table. We need to know about room code, room type, capacity, facility, and tariff. And the last, employee table. We need the information about employee ID, employee name, gender, phone number, and address. The data used to access the all data about employee. Next, we'll explain by Winesa.
Okay, the next is relationship. Relationship is the scheme to show how the data connect each other, like in this picture. Next. Okay, I'll tell about query of the MuNes Hotel. Okay. There is transaction query. Transaction query, we need to know there are just ID, just name, check-in date, check-out date, employee ID, employee name, room type, tariff, duration of staying, and total payment, which calculate from tariff and duration of staying, like in this picture. Next. Okay, there is form of the MuNes Hotel. There is check-in form. The form is collect the data about the check-in. Next. And checkout form. The form is collect the data about the checkout, like in this table, like in this picture. And just form. The form is collect the data about the just. Next. And room form. The form is collect the data about room. Next. Employee form. The form is collect the data about the employee. And the report of the MuNes Hotel. Check-in report. The report is collect the data about check-in. Checkout report. The report is collect the data about the checkout. And just report. The report is collect the data about the just. Room report. The report is collect the data about the room. Employee report. The report is collect the data about the employee. And we enter to the last slide. There is summary of our project. From the explanation of database, the MuNes Hotel, we can conclude that we can use the database to make transaction easier. Using the database will not take many time to control the business. We can create form and report directly from the database, and the database can be arranged orderly. Okay, ma'am and friends, that's all from our project, our business project, the MuNes Hotel. And we say thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.